Imagine missing the starting of a 4-hour movie. Like, no.
Uh, so we are on a bit of a time crunch here. By the time I went to bed, my head was exploding.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
Good morning. It is 9:27 in the morning, and I have just prepared my coffee, my protein coffee. One thing I changed today is that I added creatine also in the same, because it's unflavored, so I don't know, it's not exciting drinking it separately. So I thought maybe I'll try it with coffee. Uh, yeah, I can't tell. Okay, then that works too. I'll see it. Uh, I'll mix it in my coffee for a few days and let's see if I feel there is any issue. Uh, well, that's one good thing. Secondly, I had to put an alarm today. It is a Sunday, but I am going for a movie today. Uh, and the movie starts at 12. So, so we are on a bit of a time crunch here, because yesterday what happened was, I mean, the new procedure and the new aligners were kind of, it was putting a lot of pressure on my teeth. So I think I was feeling that discomfort, which is expected. But then it got to my head. So basically, by the time I went to bed, my head was exploding. So I could not fall asleep. I tried sleeping. I think I was in my bed for a good 3 hours before I could fall asleep. So I haven't slept well. But that's the thing. I think. Like rest of the days I am getting good sleep, so just one day I can feel that my body needed more sleep, but I mean it's okay. I think I don't feel like there's too much of a push. Like I feel like very normal. So let's have protein coffee and get to the workout and then proceed with our day.
Lipstick tastes like Candyland. Sticky sweet, gummy pears. Mind if I sit on your lap? Can you handle that? A movie scene, I'm a thriller. Does my voice make you paralyzed? Can you handle that? Now navigate, lick up my plate. Communicate, no hands when I spray. Check girl, not me. I'm NBC. Real epic babe.
Just finished the workout. I don't think I was
as focused as I usually am during my workouts. It could be because of I don't know. I didn't get enough sleep last night. It could be because of that, or also in my head, it's like I'm trying to rush because it's already 11. I have to leave in like the next 30-35 minutes. So I don't know. I think in my head I was trying to rush also. So not my mind is not really well settled in this current moment. But anyway, I am glad that I'm done with the workout. I don't think I was up to my 100% potential while doing the workout, but that's okay. We all have days like that. So let's just have breakfast. It is 11:15. I have to leave in like 15 minutes. So and also I forgot to keep chia seeds last night. I was hoping that I'll have that, so I'll save some time there. But I didn't keep chia seeds, and I don't know. I had leftover rice, so I just made curd rice. But I used Greek yogurt, so I took 200 grams of Greek yogurt, and I just gave it a plain tadka. Added salt. It's just rye and curry leaves. I don't know. I could not find peanuts today, so today it's not going well time management wise, but that's okay. So I'm going to eat this because I thought that I'll just have protein, I'll just have protein directly, but then I wanna eat. I've been up for a few hours and I feel like I wanna eat something, so at least this will be filling. So I'm going to have this and then get to the movies.
It is 11:17 in the night, and yeah, I've already had my dinner, but I just thought I'll just give you a recap of today. It got busy. I think the second half of the day was too busy for me. So basically, let's talk about dinner first. I didn't really record it because I was just too busy meal prepping, because I have office from tomorrow. So I was just meal prepping, cleaning kitchen, and just preparing for the next 3 days. And I prepared my dinner along the way and I just ate it. So I did take a picture, so I'll put it right here. But yeah, so for dinner I again had yogurt rice. I just could not think of anything else. So I just because in the morning it was quite plain, so I didn't enjoy it as much. So I think it just stayed in my head and I was like, you know what, let's just correct that. And so I grated some carrot to make it more filling. So I added rice and carrot, and I added yogurt, and then for tadka also I found peanuts. So I gave it a rye, curry patta and peanut tadka also, and it was amazing. I just added salt and little bit of chili, and it was good, amazing. So very satisfied with dinner. Now let's do a quick recap of the day. So basically what happened was basically a story time of things that could go wrong and how my movie experience was for today. So I had my breakfast at around 11:15, 11:20. So I just quickly had my breakfast. I got ready and I left at 11:35. So it usually takes me 15 minutes to reach the mall, but so I was already dreading that I'm late. But I left at 11:35, and then basically there are two roads. There are two separate roads that can be taken to reach the mall in 15 minutes. So we took the first one, and it was totally jam packed. Like no other vehicle was moving. Not even like usually whenever there's traffic in this road, it's moving traffic. So you are able to make your way, but it was jam packed. None of the vehicles were moving. So waited for around 5-10 minutes, and then I was like, okay, I am going to miss my movie. And imagine missing the starting of a 4-hour movie. Like no, like it's in my head. Like this is something that I've planned for like the past few months, because it was not my plan to watch the first part as well. But it was just, I think week after week I just kept hearing so many things about it that eventually I gave in. And I think the first part I watched it 3 weeks after its release, and what a blast. I mean, I really enjoyed the movie, so I have been planning it since that the second part comes out and I have to go watch it. So you can imagine my anticipation. So I was like, if I have to miss, I am not going to watch the movie. Like I'll wait another week and go next Saturday or Sunday, but if I miss for any reason, I am not going to watch the movie because I want to watch everything. Like, this is that kind of a movie I don't even want to miss a second. So after waiting for 10 minutes on that road, we took a U-turn and then went to the other road, but that was also jam packed. I still don't know what the reason is, but that was also like just everybody's just stuck. Like, no other vehicle was moving, and it just pissed me off. And it was already 12. I had a show for 12, and it was 12 right there in that moment, and I was about to give up. And then I just had like 0.1% hope, and I was like, okay, let's just take a U-turn and then take a whole ass 180-degree road and travel almost double the distance and reach the mall, which took around 25 minutes, and I reached the mall at 12:25. So I was like, okay, let me just get some things because it's a long movie. So if I watch this movie, I want to watch it right. Like, I want to have everything handy. I'm not going to get up, not even once. So I took some popcorn, I took nachos, I took coffee as well, because I mean, I hadn't slept well last night, so I didn't want to feel sleepy in the mid. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to do everything that I can to watch this movie. So I took coffee as well, and then I just went to the movie theater, and just after I sat, the movie started after a minute. So basically, I reached 1 minute early for the movie. The first half, I was still eating my popcorn, I was enjoying nachos, and I was drinking coffee, and I'm enjoying, and I was kind of in a very restful situation. Cut to after intermission, things escalated so quickly that I was like, the whole entire time in the second half of the movie, and I was like, okay. I was just not able to process anything. Things just kept happening so quickly that I barely ate anything in the second half. But what an experience. I think it was really worth it to watch this in theater.